Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Redmi Note 14 5G. For that we will need the settings form. So just look for the settings app and tap it. And then you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. So it has a gray icon with a white dot in it and then another 3 gray dots. Or you count it from below, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the fourth position. And now you will need the second point, languages and input. And after you will need the first point, languages. And I can choose from many languages and so on. Sometimes you have also the chance to have a local dialect, like here in my case from India. Let's change now to the English with Australian dialect. After just tap here on OK, so the blue button. And now this phone is having now the language English with the dialect from Australia. So this takes a few seconds and then the phone is ready for you again. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.